So, what's up, man? How you doing? Yeah, so this is the second class for our introduction to, fishing masterclass. How to fish, how to, like I explained in the first class. So now that you are in this GoPhish, you have launched the app. The app is working. Now we're going to this is what we're going to do. We're going to start understanding this interface of the tool you're going to use to be fishing. Okay, so sending profile, the first thing we'll do from down up, that's how we're going to do it. So sending profile, you press new profile, you put name. Let me say your name. You can put sending profile. When you are sending your phishing message through email, how would they appear to these people? You get me? So you say, but for now, this is a test. Go fish test. Let me just say go fish test. Go fish test. First name, first last. Beaver Alpha at gmail.com. Host. The host, because I'm using the Gmail, the SMTP is smtp.gmail.com, because I'm using Gmail. Every email provider you're using has their own SMTP, especially if you want to use a custom domain to give your own custom SMTP. Use that one. Paste, then you now put use 587. That's what TLS, because we're not using SSL. So 587. So username will be the same. This one will be the same thing. Copy, paste. Now the password, to get the password, it's not just a regular password. You have to get the password from your Google account. So you go here, you do manage your Google account. I'm showing you how to get your password. Okay, all right. So most times it still take time to load. So as I was saying, yeah, so what you do, when you are here, you search for app passwords. You see it pop on the dashboard, you look for it, you click on it, then what you do next, wait for it to load. Then you have to create a new app password. So we're going to create one. We're going to say name it as GoPhish. So create. Please, everything I'm doing, make sure you're following everything I'm doing and doing it like that. So this is going to give you this 12 this password. You gotta copy it. This is the password you use. You go to where you sign in here, you paste the password. Good. Then you can go back, say done. So GoPhish, yeah, because okay, all right, good. Yeah, you can do send first name. Yeah, let me see that send. Although I made the correction, it was 587, so I changed it to 4. You can either use 587 or 465, so I use 465. So this is 5. Send test image. Send. Let me say the send. So image sent. Good. So that would be the best to use. Alright. So I won't send that. You save the profile. Now moving on, I said after the sending profile, we'll go to the landing page. We'll go to the landing page. Yes. So landing page now. This is the landing page. Now the landing page is the what we show when they click link. Page. Good. So now there, see, it has imported the page. So sometimes it may be doing this delay sometimes. Okay. Yeah. So good. So do FB test, then you capture save page. Good. Save page. Once you've done that, the next thing is the email template. Email template. Now we're done with the sending profile. Now we're doing the landing pages. Now we're doing the email template. I told you before that if you want to do the email template, you need proper template. You need something that, that if you're doing phishing, you should be using something that people can actually recognize, that people will see and they will fall for it. That's how you get HTML templates. I'll give an example of, the landing page you did yesterday was the one we did was for the Facebook landing page. So we're going to do an email that, that looks as if it's sent from Facebook. So let me show you an example of saying, first of all, you name the template, name it like it's on Facebook, then your sender I'm using is Beaver Alpha, Beaver Alpha at gmail.com. You're right. Then the subject, let me just put test, in a sense. You can put anything there, or you can put like let me say warning, something that can attract, that can get them to want to do stuff. Warning. Then I have an HTML template I want to use. I've already copied. Let me just paste it here. Paste. Alright, good text. HTML. Hello source. Oh shit, okay, I know. Also I've used okay, you know what? I'm gonna take this off. Control A space. You're gonna click on the source, that's where you do what you do. You click on source here. When you see this one, you clear everything out from here. That's where you paste your HTML. You get me? So paste it. Good. Then you click on source. Look at it over there. See, that looks like a proper Facebook. Now if you want to get this kind of like HTML template, it costs a lot to get it. It's not something that you have to, if you cannot code your email to look like this, you have to buy it, and you can always count on me to help you with that. That's no problem. So you can edit it from the source code. You go over there to that source, then you look around, places you want to edit. I've already done a little bit of editing, so there's no need to do much for me now. All right, so I'm just going to click on this. So this is the one I'll be sending the people to get them. Okay, so all right, then I'm going to save the template. Now that I've gotten my template, I'm going to save it. Save template. Good. Now the next thing we're going to do is get our user and user groups. Try to because this is the I'm going to do like just a user, not necessarily a new group. I'm not going to do a group. I'm going to do just a user for now. Let me say group name. Let me just say LB client, and just put something there that Now put a name. Let me put my name, Jesse Ogume. I put my email. Please don't send me phishing emails, please. Thank you. So yeah. Right. That's it. So you just follow my lead. All right. I'll just put CEO there. CEO, whatever. Then you press the add, then you save changes. Normally if you have maybe very much, maybe a CSV file of people accumulated like names and emails that you have, you can actually just import it here. This group, if you do them with your, maybe I don't know, use what's the name of this app again? I'm using collating several emails and names. What's one way you don't spam, you don't get love like emails and this thing. You have it in the CSV file. You can just press on this bulk import, the support CSV file. Then you CSV file, you just click on the CSV file and you say open, and just click on enter and it comes there. So I'm going to save this for now. Then we'll do a campaign, because we don't do a campaign now. All right, now we're going to name our campaign. Let's give it a name. We're doing a Facebook testing, so we'll do Facebook phishing test. Right, makes sense, right? So the email template is the one we did before. Remember we did that email template, all right? Now the landing page, same as the one we did before. Now for this URL, you have to use your local, because I'm using my local system, you get me? You have to use your local the URL that points to your local system. So I'll be using paste. This is what I'll be using, localhost, and this is the port. Where did I get this port from? Let me show you. See, when you open, remember this place where you open this stuff, you will see it there. You check what is written there. Starting phishing server at, look at where my mouse is. See, starting phishing server at http://0.0.0.0:8081. See that 8081, that is where my phishing server is. So that's what I'll put. Your own may be different. Your own will be 8080. So whatever it shows there, that's what you use. Don't forget, please. Now next thing we're going to do is sending profile that we created for. We're going to click on it. Now the sending group, the place the client want to send to, those that, that time we did that, the group and user, I put my details there, my email, my name, or here. That's the thing. Clicking now. So then I'll click on launch campaign. So launch. All right, so your campaign will be scheduled for launch. Good. That's a good thing. Now wait, let it load. All right. Yeah, so it says email sent 100%. Wow, so it is sent. Our email has been sent. So let's go check our email. Let's go see what it really sent. So see, it says warning. Let's click on it. Oh shit, look at it. Look at the email. Look how it appeared, like a proper Facebook email, right? So we'll click on appeal. Let's see whether it will take us to that to that Facebook landing page that we kind of set up the other time. Remember when we set it up, right? Oh my god, look at it. Wow, we've landed there. This is it. See, it has landed there. You're currently offline. Why am I currently offline? What's wrong with my Wi-Fi? All right, let me refresh. Right, so you see, we've landed at the landing page. You put in your details now. I don't have a Facebook account, so I'm not going to put in anything because I don't have a Facebook. But if you have a Facebook account, you put in your details, it is going to show in this place. Let's go back to that. It's going to show you. See now, so I did click link. See the click link is one email opened and the link was clicked. So it shows you the data, what happened, submitted data. I didn't put this, nothing there, but if I put something, if you are putting it on, you must put correct details. You cannot put wrong details and expect it to show, right? So good. Wow. So that's it. That's pretty much it. That's what this is what the software can do. This is what the software can do. So I'm going to give you my assignment for you. Is everything I've taught today, you're going to replicate it, all right? And you're going to show me the email that you sent. You're going to show me your dashboard, email opened, click link. You're going to show me the landing page right up here. So any questions, feel free to ask me, all right? So next week we're going to set it up on a proper server where we can actually do the proper phishing. You understand? All right, thank you very much. Have a great day. Take care of yourself. All right.